Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be converting Excel points into a polygon for purposes such as maybe you'd want to import that polygon into an external software, for example, Google Earth, or maybe you would want to create an attribute table and add aspects that describe your polygon. So for that, we will go and import our Excel file. And this is my Excel file. I have arranged the Excel file in point, nothings, eastings, Z, and description. QGIS will connect the polygon from 1 to 2, 2 connected to 3, 3 connected to 4, 4 connected to 5, and 5 connected to 1. So ensure that how the polygon appears or follows is in a correct order. That is 1. 2, ensure that you have this column because QGIS always removes the first column when importing Excel points. So with that and having this Excel point corrected, I will close it and make sure to save it as a CSV, delimited file. So I'll save it and then I'll go back to my QGIS. I will import the Excel file. I'll go to layer, add layer, delimited text layer, and then I'll choose under file name, I'll choose the Excel file, open, file format, ensure it is CSV, point coordinates, X should be eastings, Y should be northings, and Z definitely should be Z, but we don't need the Z. And then my coordinate system or my coordinates are in WGS zone, that's 7 south. So I'll ensure to choose the correct coordinate system, and you can always choose depending on the coordinate system that you're using. Once you are satisfied with these settings, I'll add, close. These are the points. I'll add properties or description to see the description of the points. So I'll go to properties by double clicking on the file, labels, single labels, apply. And there are the points. Now, this is the Excel file that we want to convert to a polygon. So there is a plugin that we use to convert points to polygon. So I'll go to plugins, manage and install plugins. The plugin that you require to convert points to polygon is known as LF Tools. Here it is. If it is installed, it will pop up and as installed here. But since mine is not installed, I'll have to install it. And you'll have to be connected to the internet for you to install a plugin. So I will install the plugin. It takes just a few seconds to install the plugin. Plugin installed successfully. So I'll close. Once installed, it will appear under this processing toolbox. But if this processing toolbox does not appear here, you'll go to processing and then just click on this. So under processing toolbox, I'll search LF tools. It will appear under vector. Vector, you'll have your points to polygon. I'll double click that. So the point layer that I want to use is the parcel 371. And the sequence I want it to follow is the points. I don't want to create a temporary layer, but I will create a permanent one. So I'll go to save to file. Save to file and desktop QGIS. And then I'll save it as parcel 371. Save. And then run. Close. As you can see, my polygon has already been created. Even if I was to untick the points, the polygon is there. I can check the attribute table of the points, and here I have it. I can even compute the area. And as you can see, my area is 5,681.236 meters squared. That is how you create a polygon from points. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.